and today is Good Friday. Today we're helping the people in need just like Jesus did.
Hello, my name is Peter. Today is Good Friday. Jesus told us to love, be generous and kind.
Hello, my name is Kofi, and we will do what happened.
Today's Good Friday, and we're going to put fish in everyone's boxes because we eat fish as Catholics.
Today is Good Friday, and my duty is to put chocolate in everybody's boxes.
Hello, my name is Rubina, and I'm going to